In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 24, exercise 14.1 probability. Observe this question. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. Clear? What we are doing? We are throwing a die twice. Once we throw a die twice, then total possible outcomes will be what? Observe first about its solution. A die is thrown twice, then total possible outcomes equal to, once we throw a die twice, a die is thrown twice, then total possible outcomes will be what? 6 power 2. What? Total possible outcomes will be 6 square, and 6 into 6 will be what? 36. A die is thrown twice, then total possible outcomes will be what? 36. Now we want what? 5 will not come up either time. 5 will come up at least once. So I am writing from these 36 outcomes, I am going to write 5 will come up at least once, or we can say either time. So 5 will come up either time oblique at least once. 5 will come up either time oblique at least once, then 5 will come up either time oblique at least once, then all possible outcomes I am writing. First one 1 5, next 2 5, next 3 5, next 4 5, 5 5, 6 5. Next one will be what? 6 5, then 5 1, 5 1, 5 2. Next one will be what? 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 already we are having, so last one will be what? 5 6. How many outcomes we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 times. So 5 will come up either time oblique at least once in these 36 outcomes. Once a die is thrown twice, then we are getting 36 outcomes. In these 36 outcomes, 5 will come up either time or at least once. We are getting what? 11. We are getting 11. We are getting 11 outcomes. Clear? Now 5 will not come up either time. 5 will not come up. 5 will not come up. 5 will not come up either time. Will be what? 36 minus 11. Then remaining will be what? 25. 5 will not come up either times. 36 minus 11, we are getting 25. Clear? 25 times 5 will not come up either times. So first one, probability of 5 will not come up either time. Probability of 5 will not come up either time. Once a die is thrown twice, then we are getting formula of probability of an event equal to what? Number of favorable outcomes divided of total possible outcomes. Once a die is thrown twice, total possible outcomes we are getting 36. 5 will not come up either times, we are getting 25 times. 25 times 5 will not come up either times. Clear? So this is the required probability for this one. Now for the second one, probability of 5 will come up either time. Its result will be what? Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes we are having 11. 5 will come up either time. Number of favorable outcomes will be what? 11. Then in the denominator, total possible outcomes we are having 36. So 11 upon 36 will be what? Required answer for this one. Clear? Observe again what we are doing in this question. A die is thrown twice. 2 times we are throwing a die. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and 5 will come up at least once? A die is thrown twice, then total possible outcomes you are getting 6 squared, 36 total possible outcomes. 5 will come up either time or at least once. Then in these 36 outcomes we are getting 11 outcomes. In these outcomes we are getting 5 at least once. In these outcomes, in these 11 outcomes we are getting 5 at least once. Then 5 will come up either time, then number of favorable outcomes will be what? 11 divided of total possible outcomes, in which we will write 36. Clear? Now in the first one we want the 5 will not come up either time. It means total possible outcomes we are in 36, but 11 times 5 will come up either time. So 5 will not come up either time will be what? 36 minus 11, 25 times 5 will not come up either time. So number of favorable outcomes will be what? 25. 25 upon 36 will be what? Required probability for of 5 will not come up either time. Clear? So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.